An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the Earth, resulting from a sudden release of energy in the Earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves. This energy release occurs due to the movement or rupture of rocks beneath the Earth's surface. Earthquakes can range in size from those that are so weak that they cannot be felt to those violent enough to propel objects and people into the air and wreak destruction across entire cities. During the earthquake, it is important to remember to drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture such as a table or desk, and hold on until the shaking stops. If you are indoors, stay there. Moving during the shaking increases the risk of injury from falling objects. Move away from windows, glass, and exterior walls to avoid injuries from shattered glass or building debris. If you are outside, move to an open area away from buildings, streetlights, utility wires, and trees. Drop to the ground and stay there until the shaking stops. If you are driving, pull over to a safe location away from overpasses, bridges, and buildings. Stay inside the vehicle until the shaking stops. If you are in bed, stay in bed and protect your head with a pillow. Avoid doorways. Instead, cover your head and neck with your arms. After the earthquake, it is important to check for injuries. Check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid as needed and seek professional medical help if injuries are severe. Be cautious of aftershocks, as they can follow the main quake. Be prepared for additional shaking and take precautions. If you are in a damaged building or if authorities advise evacuation, leave the area and move to a safer location. Stay tuned to emergency broadcasts for information and follow the guidance of local authorities. Be cautious when entering buildings, as aftershocks or structural damage may pose risks. Ensure that all family members, including pets, are safe and accounted for. Remember, staying calm and being prepared are key factors in surviving an earthquake. Regularly review and practice your emergency plan with your family, and make sure everyone knows what to do during and after an earthquake.